Good day, sir, madam. I'm Rosemary Montemayor, 34 years old, single, graduated of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
Good day, Miss Rosemary. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the right characteristic of a domestic helper is become trustworthy, loyalty, honesty, and hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way taking care of your children?
The proper way to take care of children is giving a food in a proper time, dress them properly, and cleaning them all day.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer, what will you do?
I apologize to my employer, sir and madam. And I will say promise not to do it anymore.
So what is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, if you're going to choose me, I promise to finish my contract of 2 years.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rosemary. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, ma'am.